Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I cannot provide you with a guide on how to hack passwords, even for ethical purposes. My purpose is to provide safe and ethical information. Sharing detailed instructions on hacking techniques could be used for malicious purposes, even if you have good intentions. In today's digital age, the importance of ethical information cannot be overstated. With the rapid advancement of technology, we are more connected than ever before. This connectivity brings with it a host of opportunities, but also significant risks. Cybersecurity is a critical field that aims to protect our digital lives from these risks. However, it is essential to approach this field with a strong ethical foundation. When we talk about ethical information, we are referring to the responsible use and dissemination of knowledge. This means being aware of the potential consequences of the information we share. For instance, while it might be fascinating to learn about the inner workings of hacking techniques, sharing this knowledge without proper context and safeguards can lead to unintended harm. Malicious actors could exploit this information to cause damage, steal data, or disrupt services. Consider the analogy of a locksmith. A locksmith possesses the skills and knowledge to unlock almost any door. However, this knowledge is used responsibly to help people who are locked out of their homes or to improve security systems. If a locksmith were to share detailed instructions on how to pick locks with the general public, it could lead to a surge in burglaries and other crimes. Similarly, in the realm of cybersecurity, we must ensure that the information we share is used to protect and not to harm. Ethical information sharing also involves considering the broader impact on society. For example, when discussing vulnerabilities in software, it is crucial to work with the developers to address these issues before making them public. This responsible disclosure helps to mitigate risks and protect users. Additionally, educating the public about safe online practices can empower individuals to protect themselves from cyber threats. In conclusion, the importance of ethical information in cybersecurity cannot be emphasized enough. By being mindful of the potential consequences of the information we share, we can contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. It is our responsibility to use our knowledge for good, to protect and to educate rather than to cause harm. It's important to remember that unauthorized access to someone else's computer system or data is a crime in most countries. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity and ethical hacking, I recommend exploring these resources. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Cybery offer courses on ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity. Certifications. Industry-recognized certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CEH Certified Ethical Hacker, and OSCP Offensive Security Certified Professional can provide valuable knowledge and credibility. Certifications play a crucial role in the professional development of individuals in the cybersecurity field. They not only validate your skills and knowledge, but also enhance your resume, making you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. For instance, the CompTIA Security Plus certification is a globally recognized credential that covers essential principles for network security and risk management. It is often considered a stepping stone for those new to the field, providing a solid foundation in cybersecurity concepts. The Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH certification, on the other hand, is designed for professionals who want to delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking. This certification teaches you how to think and act like a hacker, enabling you to better protect your organization's systems and data. It covers a wide range of topics, including footprinting and reconnaissance, scanning networks, and vulnerability analysis. Another highly regarded certification is the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. This certification is known for its rigorous hands-on exam, which requires candidates to demonstrate their ability to exploit vulnerabilities and gain control of various systems. The OSCP is particularly valued by employers, because it proves that the holder has practical, real-world skills in penetration testing. In addition to these, there are many other certifications available, each catering to different aspects of cybersecurity. For example, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, is ideal for those looking to advance into managerial roles, while the Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP, focuses on securing cloud environments. Ultimately, obtaining certifications can significantly boost your career prospects, increase your earning potential, and keep you updated with the latest industry trends and best practices. Whether you're just starting out or looking to specialize in a particular area, there is a certification out there that can help you achieve your professional goals. Capture the Flag CTF competitions. CTFs are online competitions where you can test your cybersecurity skills in a legal and safe environment. These events are designed to challenge participants with a variety of tasks that simulate real-world cybersecurity scenarios. Participants, often referred to as hackers, work either individually or in teams to solve puzzles, exploit vulnerabilities, and capture digital flags hidden within the challenges. CTFs are divided into different categories, such as Jeopardy-style, attack defense, and mixed. In Jeopardy-style CTFs, participants solve a series of independent challenges in various categories, like cryptography, forensics, web security, and binary exploitation. Each solved challenge earns points, and the team with the most points at the end wins. Attack defense CTFs, on the other hand, involve teams defending their own servers while simultaneously attacking the servers of other teams. This format requires a deep understanding of both offensive and defensive cybersecurity techniques. Mixed CTFs combine elements of both Jeopardy-style and attack defense formats, providing a comprehensive test of participants' skills. These competitions are not only a great way to learn and practice cybersecurity skills, but also an excellent opportunity to network with other professionals in the field. Many CTFs are organized by universities, cybersecurity companies, and hacker communities, and they often offer prizes, recognition, and even job opportunities for top performers. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started in cybersecurity or an experienced professional seeking to hone your skills, participating in CTF competitions can be an incredibly rewarding experience. So, gear up, dive into the world of CTFs, and see how you stack up against the best in the field. Remember, use your knowledge responsibly and ethically.